Hello, everyone. My name is Abdur Rehman from AllumiaX Engineering, and we have Richard Jensen, also from AllumiaX, here with us to do a fireside chat. Today's topic would be selective coordination. Now, selective coordination occurs in a lot of different places, and people just don't understand what it is and what's about, where it's located. If you were the estimator, what would you look for? Signs of selective coordination. If you were an engineer or a design engineer, for example, what would you have to consider when things are called out as selective coordination to make the job process very smooth? So we're going to take our experience in power system design and power system studies work. The first question, Richard, is where do we normally see selective coordination on studies?
What I would have to say about that is the code, the National Electrical Code, points to occasions when selective coordination is required, and it's normally required with critical power design. And critical power design most commonly would happen at a federal facility where interruption of power is unacceptable. Other places it could occur would be hospitals.
Hello everyone, Abdur Rehman here from AllumiaX Engineering. To learn more and to continue sharpening your technical skills, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, GeneralPAC by AllumiaX, or visit our website at allumiax.com/learn.